How to fix DoorDash won't let me cancel DashPass. In order for you to fix this issue, the very first thing you want to do is to head over to the Safari. In the source bar, search for DoorDash customer service. Different sites will be available to you. You can head over to this one. Tons of different options in order to contact the customer service will be available to you. Let me select Chat with Us in the DoorDash app. It will open up the application DoorDash. You have to enter your login credential and it will land you in the inbox of customer service of DoorDash. There, you will need to enter all the problem that you have been facing. You need to tell them that DoorDash is not letting me cancel the DashPass. After that, they will analyze your issue and try to fix them. Even after this, your problem is not fixed. The next thing you want to do is head over to the App Store on your device. In the search bar, search for DoorDash and then move into this app. Right here, you can see the option of update, which means that you are not using the updated version of the app. Simply click on update and update it. Most of the time, updating the app has also fixed the issue, so you might also be good to go. If not, try uninstalling the application and then reinstall it. After that, try to log in into your account, and then you will be able to cancel the DashPass. So that's the wrap for this video. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.